Selected mode. Stone cold killer. Harry slaughtering.
I spit killer shit that my Glock can do. I might hit you, bitch, when I pop a tree. You better get a grip from my dogs. At loose, they might hit a lick, they might bark at you. I might sip a bit while she out for big. Never really got what I'm offering. Hit him in his top if you talk this way. You know, talk is cheap, so I'm charging. Fit it out the ride. You bitch, you bad, live his body, then he died. From different one click, clag out. Cold, crack. There's a fact, put a body in the sky. Wasn't dirt. Back when you got that. Rug sat for the mask with the contact. Once black, getting grabbed, never come back. Put it back up for your ass with a toe tap. Back in the back of the leg. Where I go with the Mac on my lap. I know you was asking for that. Times up, downs up. Even back in your ass. Psycho, I'm G.O.D. Now a couple hoes wanna be on me. I got heat on me with my DOGs. I go COD, but it's a pricey fee, so don't beat on me.
I am prepared to use incidental remote. I have assisted you in killing over 50 people. Stone cold killer mode has been deactivated.
Shit, can I do it?
Awesome. The fuck is wrong with you? Please go see a therapist, you psycho.
Sometimes you just feel tired, feel weak. And when you feel weak, you feel like you want to just give up. But you gotta search within you. Try to find that inner strength and just pull that shit out of you. And get that motivation to not give up and not be a quitter. No matter how bad you want to just fall flat on your face. Till I collapse, I'm spilling these raps. Long as you feel them to the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. Subliminal thoughts when I'ma stop sending them. Women are caught in webs, spin them in hawk venom. Adrenaline shots, the penicillin could not get the illin to stop. Amoxicillin's just not real enough. The criminal cop killing hip-hop, filling a minimal swap to cop. Millions of pop listeners, you're coming with me, feel it or not. You're gonna fear it like I showed you. The spirit of God lives in us. You hear it a lot, lyrics to shock. Is it a miracle or am I just product of pop? Listen up, the sizzle, my whistle, this is the plot. Listen up, you pistols for God's Lizzle does not give a
Till the
fuck.
roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high, I'ma rip this shit, till my bone holla, till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high, I'ma rip this shit, till my bone holla.
Music is like magic. There's a certain feeling you get when you reel and you spit, and people are feeling your shit. This is your moment, and every single minute you spend trying to hold on to it, cause you may never get it again. So while you're in it, try to get as much shit as you can. And when your run is over, just admit when it's in its end. Cause I'm at the end of my wits with half the shit that gets in. I got a list, here's the order of my list that it's in. It goes Reggie, Jay-Z, Tupac, and Biggie, Andre from Outkast, Jada, Corrupt, Nas, and Thimmy. But in this industry, I'm the cause of a lot of envy. So when I'm not put on this list, the shit does not offend me. That's why you see me walk around like nothing's bothering me. Even though half you people got a fucking problem with me. You hate it, but you know respect you got to give me. The press is wet dream like Bob and your Whitney. Nay, hit me.
Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high, I'ma rip this shit, till my bone holla, till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high, I'ma rip this shit, till my bone holla.
As soon as a verse starts, I eat it at MC's heart. What is he thinking? I'm not to go against me, smart, and it's absurd how people hang on every word. I'll probably never get the props I feel I ever deserve, but I'll never be served. My spot is forever reserved. If I ever leave Earth, that would be the death of me first. Cause in my heart of hearts, I know nothing could ever be worse. That's why I'm clever when
till my leg give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. Am I high? I'ma rip this shit till my bone color, till the roof comes on, till the lights go out, till my leg give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. Am I high? I'ma rip this shit till my bone color, until the roof comes on. The roof comes on until my leg from underneath me.
I will not fall. I will stand tall. Feels like no one can beat me.
No chance, you catch me down bad. P90, aim straight for your head. Calling on my bitch, and she know she at the top of the list. And she put up with her friends, so I tell her throw it back, then I blow it back. Drop it down low, let them know it's like that. Feel like I'm hexed, yeah, that bitch bad. Call her on her neck, and her ass real fat. Tell her throw it back, then I blow it back. Drop it down low, let them know it's like that. Feel like I'm hexed, yeah, that bitch bad. Call her on her neck, and her ass real fat, yeah. She keep on saying that she never had a nigga like this. Shake it up, still the realest nigga in the mix. Why they always acting like a nigga ain't shit? Talk slick, then we empty out the clip. 6 figures for the whip, bitch. You ain't gon' tell me shit. Stuck to my body, I'm the dog, she the tick. I'm the god pussy, this ain't no motherfucking facade. My niggas comfy at the top, we ain't never took a loss. Demon girl, slant chain fangs, got an OnlyFans. Fucking on a succubus, I feel like I'm devil man. Bloody when I'm up in there, harness with a pentagram. How you get a black hole independent, it was in the plan. She's fucked, yeah, same, that's my bitch. I'm corpse, got it tatted in my skin. Autopilot with black matic with the tank. Got a sucking on my dick while we bump trips. Till you throw it back, then I blow it back. Drop it down low, let them know it's like that. Feel like I'm hexed, yeah, that bitch bad. Call her on her neck and her ass real fat. Tell her throw it back, then I blow it back. Drop it down low, let them know it's like that. Feel like I'm hexed, yeah, that bitch bad. Call her on her neck and her ass real fat, yeah.
When the moon hits the sky, I'm a little unwell. Cause the truth is a lie that nobody can tell. Every kid on the block talks in riddles and prose. Then we dance till we drop. They say everything's perfect here and the sun is shining. Hey, hey. Everything's perfect here, there's nobody crying. Oompa loompa doobity doo. I got a bad feeling about you. Oompa loompa, I don't know, dude. I got a bad feeling about you. Bad feeling, bad feeling. I got a bad feeling about you. Bad feeling, bad feeling. I got a bad feeling about you. Animals are misunderstandable. Carnivores and cannibals, I want it on demandable. Mandible, jaw split, hit me with the gossip.
Are you fucking serious?
They say everything's perfect here and the sun is shining. Hey, hey. Everything's perfect here, there's nobody crying. Oompa loompa doobity doo. I got a bad feeling about you. Oompa loompa, I don't know, dude. I got a bad feeling about you. Bad feeling, bad feeling. I got a bad feeling about you. Bad feeling, bad feeling. I got a bad feeling about you. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Everything's perfect here and the sun is shining. Everything's perfect here. There's nobody crying. Oompa loompa doobity doo. I got a bad feeling about you. Oompa loompa, I don't know, dude. I got a bad feeling about you. Bad feeling, bad feeling. I got a bad feeling about you. Bad feeling, bad feeling. I got a bad feeling about you. It's true.